Hello everyone, I'm Geetanjali. In this video, we are going to see about how to create a e-certificate in Google Form using Certify'em app. For this, you should have a Google account. I already have a Google account. Now I go to my account. Here number of Google apps are there. Click on Google Drive. The drive is opened. Click here. Click Google Forms. Here the Google form is there. You can click the Google form. The Untitled Google form is opened. You can create a Google form for various purposes like online quiz or webinar or conference or sending feedback form like that. I already created a Google form in my drive. Now I go to my Google form, that is online quiz. I create the Google form for online quiz. Here I can giving email ID, name, then designation, college name. This is an online quiz, so I can given two questions for sample. Okay. In this form, the top right corner, three dot is there. That is more option. You can click here. You can click add-ons. Wait for a few seconds. The new window will open. Yeah, the new window is open now. Here you can type Certify'em. That is Certify'em. The Certify'em is here. There is a Certify'em app. You can install this app. I already installed that app. You can install this app. After installing this app, you can close the window. Now I close the window. Here, the add-on is there. You can click here, the Certify'em. You can click Certify'em. Okay, wait. You can refresh your Google form. Again, you can click here, Certify'em. Yeah, the show Certify'em controls. You can click show Certify'em controls. A number of fields are there, that is status, records, pausing, template, quota, more. Okay. First, the status. The normally defaultly the certificate is off in the status. You can turn on the certification on. Wait for a few seconds. Now it is the certification is on. Next one is the certificate records. Click here. One spreadsheet will open. Here the number of fields are there, that is timestamp, email, full name, other identifier 2, total score, percentage score, past, certificate ID. This is for date and time. For email ID, this is for the email ID, full name. You don't touch these fields. Okay. Here the three field is very important. That is full name, other identifier, and other identifier 2. These three fields are important for creating the certificate. Okay. And the last one is the certificate ID. This is also important for generating unique ID for your participants. Okay. Now I close this window. Now I go to my Google form.
Now click the passing criteria. Here 0 to 100 is there. You can select 10, 20, 30 or 40. I can select 40 as a passing percentage. After that template is there. Here number of template frames, that is predefined frames are there. So you can select any one frame from this template. If you want to see that template means you can preview it all. Here, this is the design of the predefined template. You can select anyone from this template. If you don't want this mess, you can close it. You can create your own template. For that, you can select custom template. Before clicking the custom template, you can create your own certificate first. In this online quiz, I also create my own certificate. For that, I again go back to my Google Drive. Right click, Google slide is there, a blank presentation, select blank presentation. You can select, delete this text box. You can delete this text box also. You can change the background color. Then you can choose the background image. You can select anyone from this and select it one. After that, you can create a text box here. Here you can type your institution name or college name or company name. I can type the college name and you can align the text. You can align it here. You can align center. You can increase the font size. You can change the font style also. Make it bold. If you want to insert image or logo from for your college or institution means you can insert it. I already have a logo in my computer, so I select the college logo. You can resize the logo. And increase the text box size. Adjust it. Fine. After that, you can create one more text box. Here you can type the content of the certificate. This is to 35 to slash listen. Here you can type double braces, floor braces. Here full name. After that you can close the double floor bracket. It shows the name of the participant. Then again open double floor bracket, other identifier, and
Here we can use the other identifier which gives the participant designation. The participant is a faculty or a student. Here I can use one more other identifier. One more other identifier. So again you can type double flower bracket, other identifier fire 2. So because it mentioned the participant college name or institution name, so I can use one more other identifier. After that, as successfully completed the online quiz. Yes. Okay. After that, you can create one more text box. Not just this text box. Now you can type certificate ID. Certificate ID. Here also you can use the double flower bracket, certificate ID, and close the flower bracket. It gives the unique ID of the participant. Okay, now the certificate is ready. You can change the name of the certificate, that is quiz certify. Okay, I can name it as quiz certify. After that, again I come back to my Google form. Here the quota, here the use the custom template. Here you can select the file which we created, that is quiz certify. Select, then save changes. The changes will done. Now you go here, the quota. The Certify'em can send 100 certificate per day. So already the are f- five peoples are attending the quiz. So remaining 99 is mentioned here. Next one is here advanced. You can click the advanced. After completing the quiz or conference or webinar, you need to send a custom message. Thank you for submission, like that. So here, thank you for submission. If you passed, you can send this you the printable certificate shortly. It is defaultly in the exam options. If you want to change this means you can change it. After that, you can enter the name of the sender and email. Then the certificate option is there. Here, image or PDF. I can choose PDF option and save changes. Now I close the Certify'em. Now you can select the send option. After that, you can choose this icon. You can shorten your URL. After shortening your URL, you can send it to various email. Now I send this to my email ID. So I can send this to my email ID. Okay, sent. After that, I go to my email account. Yeah, I received that mail. Now I fill that form, Google form. Now I can enter the email ID. 913 at gmail.com. Okay. Name the participant. Shri. Designation. Faculty. College name. St. Joseph College. Now I'm going to attend the quiz. Send. Now I got the message. Thank you for submission. If you pass, you will receive the certificate shortly. Okay. Again, I go back to my email. I go to my inbox now. You can refresh your mail. Wait for a few seconds. Yeah, now I got the certificate. Okay. Yeah, I got the certificate, St. Joseph College. This is certified to Shri, faculty of St. Joseph College, has successfully completed the online quiz. Here, the certificate ID is also generated here. So, you can create the certificate by using Certify'em app. Thank you for watching.